Hi, my name is Gator Hillard, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to talk about making New Orleans-style barbecue shrimp. All right, we got the beer reduced down, and like I said, I had a close call with the sauce itself. You know, it with so much butter in it, if you have it at a high heat, and I can't express it enough, it will break, and I got pretty close to it. If that does happen, you can take heavy cream and just put a little bit of heavy cream into it and just whisk it, pretty fast, and it'll come back. But you got to take it off the heat when you're doing that also. So we got the sauce. We're gonna go ahead and dump our shrimp back in it. Making a mess. You want to go ahead and lay all your shrimp back in there. Let it continue to cook for just a couple of minutes. And I don't care how good of a cook you are, I would always say to pull out one and try it out. Make sure it's fully cooked. Once it's totally covered up, give it a taste. You know, if you feel like it needs more seasoning or something, just go right ahead and do it. You know, like I said, I made this dish today and how I like to make it, what kind of specifications and stuff. And I gave you guys a general idea, but you can also just fluctuate in your ingredients, whatever you want to do. Just as long as it comes out pretty much the same way, you're good. As long as that sauce is fine, you're okay.